Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me to introduce myself. My name is Devita Afrilia, from Class Management 23D, NPM 2341119. Here I will explain about the definition of ethics and culture, the relation of ethics and culture, and an example of rules of conduct in manufacturing companies and banking. Ethics is a set of moral principles or standards used to distinguish between right and wrong behavior. In a business context, ethics refers to the behavioral guidelines that guide employees and companies in making fair, responsible, and honest decisions. Culture is the values, norms, customs, and belief held by a group of people in a society or organization. Culture encompasses how a group of people think, act, and interact with each other, and how they understand the world around them. In the workplace, corporate culture encompasses the attitudes, values, and behaviors that prevail within an organization. The relationship between ethics and culture are closely intertwined. Culture influences what is considered ethical or unethical in a given context. What is considered acceptable behavior in one culture may be different in another. Within organizations, corporate culture shapes behavioral norms that reflect the company's ethical standard. For example, companies with a culture that emphasizes integrity, transparency, and accountability tend to have strong ethical standards. Meanwhile, ethics can reinforce a positive culture by establishing guidelines for moral behavior that are applied across situations. Examples of codes of conduct: 1. Manufacturing company, occupational safety, using personal protective equipment and following safety protocols. Waste management, complying with environmental regulations for disposing of industrial waste. 2. Banking company, customer confidentiality, protecting customer privacy and financial information. Regulatory compliance, following anti-money laundering rules and transparency policies. Conclusion: ethics and culture are two interrelated concepts that shape workplace behavior. A strong, positive organizational culture emphasizes ethical behavior, while ethics provide the moral guidance that reinforces that culture. In sectors such as manufacturing and banking, specific codes of conduct have been developed to ensure safety, legal compliance, and integrity in day-to-day operations. This interconnectedness is essential to creating a productive, safe, and sustainable work environment, as well as maintaining the company's reputation with the public and other stakeholders.